Quick video on how to reset your maintenance required light on a 2016 Toyota Highlander. Probably works similar on the 14, 15, 16, even 17 models. But just a little trick to get it to reset. I think it goes off every 5,000 miles is what it's triggered by. But just to show you what the indicator looks like, I'll go ahead and start the car. And you can see my exclamation warning light is on, and I have the maintenance required. So the easiest thing to do is just while you're driving or whatever, turn off the car with its setting in trip A, as you can see there. So go ahead and turn it off while it's displaying trip A. And now with your one hand, hold in the trip A. It's kind of hard to do with both hands, but hold in the trip A and then push this engine stop start button twice. 1, 2. And you'll see it says resetting maintenance data. Once the zeros flash and you get the depress, you can release the button, and now you've reset it. So again, quick summary: put it in trip A, turn off the car, hold the button down while you push the stop start button twice, wait for the dashes to go away and the 5 zeros to flash and disappear, and then the maintenance required is reset for another 5,000 miles. And you're all finished. Hope this helped. Thanks.